Hey guys, today I will talk about the US dollar versus the Mexican peso. I will talk about a potential corrective phase correction. Here is the disclaimer. Please read it. Yeah, and if you have questions, you can send an email to support. So I will talk about US dollar versus the Mexican peso, and earlier today, mixed economic data, unemployment claims better than expected but worse compared to the previous reporting period. Trade balance, better than expected. And right now, the US dollar tries to stay higher or to extend its growth versus the other currencies. And let's start with the DXY. Let's take a look. The DXY sideways movement is trapped between 106.93. The former range is support. Right now, static resistance and the 106.50. And retested here the R1, the supply zone. A deeper drop, downside continuation should force the US dollar to depreciate versus rivals, or if it fails to come back down to approach and reach the former low and stay near the supply zone, may signal on a breakout and potential upwards movement. We need confirmation also on the DXY, but let's go back and let's talk about US dollar versus the Mexican peso. Okay, and let's start with a higher time frame, for example, daily. Okay, and you can see here that it has registered the false breakout great separation above 18.196. Okay, the bias is still bullish. The bias is still bullish in the short term, okay, but also after this strong rebound, it remains to see. Yeah, it remains to see, because only making a new higher high, taking off this resistance, may signal potential further growth. Okay, and in the short term, I will try to draw here 1, 2, and 3, something like this. But maybe I will choose this one. No, because I don't like this breakdown below the lower medium line. So I will try to draw an ascending pitchfork here. 1, 2, 3 here. Same here. That breakdown. Only if we'll use maybe this one. Okay, something like this. Because 1, 2, 3. Okay. Rally retest, the lower medium line retest, confirming this ascending pitchfork, confirming this lower medium line as dynamic support, rally towards the medium line, and you can see here that the price reached the medium line. It has retested it. It has registered false breakout with great separation, a false breakout right now again. Its failure to stabilize above the weekly R2 18.112. So in the short term, if it stays below the resistance levels, okay, and very important, because right now personally I have here an uptrend line, right? And as long as it stays above the uptrend line, it could extend its growth, and staying near the resistance levels could also signal a breakout, imminent breakout, and continuation, further growth. Okay, but as I said, test retest, false breakout, signaling exhausted buyers. So test retest followed by a breakdown, valid breakdown, may signal a potential corrective phase correction here in the short term. Okay, 1, 2, 3 here. Let's see. Okay, now we'll select another color, something like this. Okay, we also have the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork, but we need confirmation. As I've said, I want the price to take out the uptrend line, drop to test, retest, and then boom. Okay, this could be my scenario here for a potential short, or as I've said, if the price stays above the uptrend line and staying near the resistance levels, breakout, accumulation, consolidation above the broken levels. Okay, this could be my long scenario here on this market, US dollar versus the Swiss franc. And tomorrow, guys, If we'll take a look here on the economic calendar for X Factory, tomorrow the US is to release high impact events, non-farm employment change, unemployment rate, average hourly earnings. Also the Canadian economic data should bring some volatility on the US dollar. So better than expected US data could help the US dollar to resume its appreciation, or a poor economic data, poor US data could force the US dollar to lose ground versus its rivals. Thank you guys. Don't forget to read the disclaimer and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.